You are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello, crafty friends. It's Holly with Melody Lane Inspired, and guess what, guys? It's mystery box time. Yes, we have a new Cricut mystery box. Now, this mystery box is Cricut's Lucky Charm mystery box, and we're lucky indeed because it comes with a new cutie. And as always, I'm always so excited to see the name. Like, what does this look like? Ooh, so this is the Soothing Sea Cutie, which on camera here always looks a little lighter. Now, best way to show you this cutie is hold it up against white so you can see that it's not as light as it looks actually when I put it in my camera. So this is a really pretty, kind of like a light aqua color, but beautiful pastel, like Easter color. I like my cuties in a bright rainbow, and I love them in a pastel rainbow, and this is a pretty color to put in that pastel rainbow. Now here I'll go ahead and pop up Soothing Sea Cutie next to a couple other cuties that are close in color, so you can see just how it differs. But he's also this matte finish too. Some of the other ones are going to be a gloss finish, but he is a matte, like light aqua color. So we have our Soothing Sea Cutie. And in this box, there's several different things. So let's go ahead and look what we have. Now let's go ahead and start with the Cricut blanks we have in here. So we are getting a 2-pack of Cricut mugs. These are the 12-ounce Cricut mugs. So you can go ahead and put vinyl on these, or you can go ahead and put Infusible ink on them with a heat press. So, and we're gonna go ahead and get not one, but 2 of the blank Cricut ball caps. So with these, you can go ahead and put any iron-on them, or you can go ahead and use the Infusible ink also with a heat press. I think these make great gifts, especially Father's Day. Or Mother's Day, make you a mama hat. And these are great too. Think kids sports are going on. You can make your team hat too to wear to support. And if you really want to embarrass your kid, put their name on it, especially if they're older. When they're little, they like that. And we're also getting tote bag, which I gotta admit, I absolutely love making tote bags. I've made several of them, but they're so stinking handy. Like I take them to farmers markets. When we take our dog for a walk, I put her stuff in them. She's got her own bag, but just so many things. You know, we're gonna walk around a craft fair. I like to bring a bag. I like to carry water too, and I don't like to carry it. So like this tote bag is perfect size for me to put water in. If I pick something up, throw it in it. I thought I said throw up in it for a second. I'm like, let's not do that. But I guess if you had to, it could work for that too. But it's great to just carry around and throw in it what you want, which I've actually already made this tote bag. So I'm going to show you guys that in a second. And to go ahead and press on those blanks, we're getting some Cricut Infusible ink. So first up, we are getting warm gray Infusible ink. Now inside these, you're going to get the 2 transfer sheets that are 12 by 12, and then you will get butcher paper too that you'll go ahead and cover your project with and press it with. That's not the only color we're getting, because we're getting bright green Infusible ink. And just want to mention, these packages do look different because this is the older style packaging here, and this is the newer packaging too. So these are the same thing, just different colors, but I do want to show you, when you open these, easiest way, open them from the bottom. And you're going to put them back in here and store them too. And they come in a black bag, which I've already opened because I've used this, but when you're done with your material, put it back in that black bag to keep it protected from like light and stuff. But this is the butcher paper you'll get in there that you'll cover your project with. And I want to show you how different these colors look from the box. So this green will actually be this green, but when you press it, the true colors show. So when you take it out, don't think, oh my gosh, this doesn't have any color. It does. It absolutely does. It just will show it once you press it. And I've already pressed it, so I can show you guys that. I'm going to show you the tote bag I did. So I made this tote bag using the gray and green in the box, and I made I'm a sucker for plants bag. Finding ourselves in our plant era here. Even my hubby, I call him Plant Daddy. But he only cares for one plant. I don't know why. But anyway, I made this using the tote bag and the Infusible ink, so you can see the color once you press it really turns out. And I'm going to go ahead and put the link to the project in the description below so you can go ahead and make it. And the great thing is, if you purchase this box, you have everything to make this here. Of course, you need your Cricut machine and you need a heat press, but all the materials for this are right in the box. So stinking cute. And I always love a good pun, so I like that. I'm a sucker for plants, like succulents. And we are also getting a big 50-pack of printable vinyl. And with this, you can do lots because you can make stickers. You can go ahead and you can go ahead and customize decor, especially kids things, print things out. Cards too. You can go ahead and print on this. Anything you want to put on a card too, think of that. So maybe you want to do it inside of a card with a print then cut and add a pretty, you can do it this, and it looks very pretty too. And if you're making stickers and you want to make them waterproof, just go ahead and throw laminate over these, and then you have waterproof stickers too. So a bunch you can do with 50 sheets. And something everybody's always happy for, more mats. This time we're getting the light grip mat, and we're getting 3 of the 12 by 12. So these are perfect for your cardstock, vinyl iron-on. I use light grip so much, so I'm very happy always to get new ones. So that is everything that's in Cricut's Lucky Charm mystery box. And if I do say so myself, I think that was pretty magically delicious. We got several Cricut blanks, we got mats, we got 50 sheet of printable vinyl that you can make so much with. And then those infusible inks, which green is perfect time for green because spring, summer, that is a wonderful green color. And Christmas too. Don't forget Christmas. And because we got a cutie in this box is for Cricut Access members only, but there are links below in the video description to go ahead and purchase our box and to go ahead and see all the benefits of Access and join Access. Which one of the benefits is you can purchase mystery boxes, and another one is you're gonna always save on your purchases from Cricut. So the mystery box is $49.99 US, $69.99 Canadian, but because you have to be Access to purchase, you're gonna have your Access discount on top of that. And in the links below, you'll go ahead and find our current Cricut giveaway, which right now we're giving away $150 to spend at Cricut.com. So make sure you guys enter that. It's open until March 31st, but our winner will get to pick $150 of whatever makes them happy from Cricut. Which I have to say, that is enough to go ahead and get the new Cricut Joy 2 if you wanted. But you can choose whatever you like. You could also get the Easy Press SE with that, which that's what I went ahead and used to press my tote bag. But that giveaway is open till the 31st, and you can enter up to 10 times today. 10 times today. Well, you can't, because you can enter up to 10 times any day, but you can enter up to 10 times per day. So thank you guys so much for joining us. We greatly, greatly appreciate for you guys just tuning in to us. And if you could, go ahead and give us the thumbs up and go ahead and leave us a comment below and let us know what you thought. It's always so fun to bring you guys mystery boxes, especially when there's a new cutie. That makes my excitement like at an all-time high because I don't even know what the cutie looks like till I open the box. So hope you guys all have a craftastic rest of your week. It is officially spring, which makes me so happy. Now, if the weather would like stick to spring, it'd be good. We had a day of spring, now we're back in winter, but it'll come back around. It's March, it's very bipolar. So until next time, friends, happy crafting. We hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.